Sometimes when we do image review with patients, it's such a wonderful experience. We finally get them to the point where they're so happy with their treatment results and it seems like the puzzle is completely done. And I do describe this to patients that it is kind of like a puzzle. You put together these pieces, the more pieces you put in, the better the puzzle looks, and that's kind of like it is here. The more treatment modalities you use, your dermal enhancers, arc derma, the jaw chore technique, the Botox, the medical grade ZO skincare, the PRP, everything that we're doing to enhance the skin and the face, those are all puzzle pieces that we put in. And we finally get to a point where we think, oh, this puzzle is pretty much done, and we have our image review and we look at these before and afters, and it's so exciting. But then a couple years go by and we look at those before and afters again, and now some of those puzzle pieces have been taken out, and that's just kind of like what happens when we age. We lose 1% of collagen a year after the age of 30, which has been translated to about 1 to 3 syringes of filler, depending on which article you're reading. And so we constantly need to maintain these. So really the better terminology for before and after images is really before and progress image, because we kind of get to that point where we feel we're done with this puzzle, and then we still need to maintain that, kind of keeping up with time that is taking away those puzzle pieces. So hopefully that makes sense to you, and it doesn't feel like you're constantly adding in more and more products or procedures and the work is never going to be done. It really won't ever be done because you're still aging. So we just need to keep up with that clock and make sure that we're adding in faster than time is taking away.